Hi, I'm Hope from At Hope Embroidery, and in this video I'll be demonstrating whipped backstitch. Start by stitching your line using regular backstitch. If your line overlaps another line, like how the stem I'm stitching here overlaps another stem, you're just going to stitch right over that first line. And once you're done backstitching, bring your needle up through your fabric just next to the hole you created when you started your line of backstitching. Next, gently weave your needle underneath the first backstitch without piercing your fabric and pull. And following the same direction, in my case from right to left, continue weaving your needle underneath each backstitch. Now if your lines overlap like mine do, you'll want to be sure you're only weaving your needle underneath the line of backstitching on which you're currently working. And to finish, you'll simply bring your needle down through the last hole you created on your line of backstitching.